Hey guys, Michelle here, Associate Editor at ergonomictrends.com, and today I'm going to be looking at the Autofull Pink Gaming Chair, affectionately nicknamed the Pink Bunny Chair. It is one of a dozen or so gaming chairs on the market that are being specifically tailored towards the growing number of female gamers. Apart from the cute exterior, just how comfortable and usable is this as a gaming chair? That's what I sought to find out in my 14-day hands-on test. Let's kick things off by looking at the chair's adjustability. In terms of seat height, the chair can be raised between 16.5 inches to 19 inches, which is on the shorter end of the spectrum. This height range makes it ideal for users as short as 5'2". The armrests have two-way adjustability, up, down, and a pivot to support your forearms when typing or when on your smartphone. Sadly, they are not width adjustable. As for the backrest, like many gaming chairs, this one can go back around 170 degrees. It certainly works well for taking short naps if you're so inclined. When using the tilt adjustment, you're given two options, locked or free. But I found that when the chair is upright, I could not tilt or rock it. Only once I had reclined a little bit did the tilt mechanism actually engage. If you read the reviews of this chair on Amazon, a common sentiment is that the chair is very comfortable. Some owners who have had the chair for over a year still commend it on this point, especially the seat cushion. After my 2 weeks of testing, I can definitely say that I agree. The leather is soft and the seat cushion feels incredibly plush and supportive. This is also true of the lumbar pillow. Though not fixed to the chair, it remains in position well enough to alleviate neck and back pain. Also, the backrest has ample height, meaning your spine is supported from top to bottom. One issue I had, however, is that the upholstery simply isn't very breathable. The faux leather material combined with the memory foam traps heat and returns it back to your body. For me, within 2 hours of sitting in my shorts in a comfortably cool room, my thighs started sticking to the seat and my back felt sweaty. The side bolsters didn't help, hugging my thighs and further preventing the heat from escaping. Your experience may vary with regards to the chair's breathability, depending on your body type and where you live. I imagine a slender user with thinner thighs may not have as much of a problem in the same position. However, if you easily perspire, I would look for a different gaming chair, perhaps one with a fabric seat instead. The build quality of the chair overall feels premium, with matching good looks. Having said that, the controls could use some refinement. The recline adjustment handle rubs against the seat and will undoubtedly start to wear the leather down over time. Also, the height adjustment lever isn't actuated by the paddle itself, which does nothing when shifted. Instead, you need to push and pull on the metal arm that connects the paddle to the seat pan. In terms of unwanted noises, I'm happy to report that there was no general squeaking with the chair during my 2 weeks with it. This indicates to me that, structurally speaking, the chair is well put together. The chair comes with more accessories than most other similar chairs on the market. It comes with bunny ears that can either be worn directly by the user or slotted in at the top of the backrest to give it ears. Along with the washable armrest covers and fluffy tail, the chair is given a playful vibe, especially when you're sitting on it and look like you have bunny ears. It certainly makes quite the talking point in front of an audience, such as when streaming or having friends over. Practically speaking though, my favorite item is the floor mat. It has a rubber underlay and fabric on top with an overlocked edge to prevent fraying. I found it very effective in stopping unwanted rolling when placed underneath the chair. The pentagram design in the middle of the mat is rather questionable though. Whatever they were going for, it's lost on me. The Autofull Pink Gaming Chair exceeded my expectations, providing excellent comfort and build quality in a uniquely pink and fluffy package. However, this design won't appeal to everyone. In terms of ideal user, I think this chair is most suitable for someone on the slimmer side who doesn't perspire easily, or who likes being toasty warm. This is based on the upholstery, which is made to mold to your body and retain heat. And it's also based on the seat width of only 15 inches without the bolsters, which makes this chair even narrower than the GT Racing one we reviewed last year. Follow the link in the description to read my full review of this chair on ergonomictrends.com, where you can also browse other chair reviews as well as get guides and articles that can help you improve your office health and ergonomics.